All right, guys, really quick video here, and it's going to be on how to find the slope from a graph, and it's one piece of what you were doing yesterday. So I figured we'd back up a little bit and just really focus on how to find the slope from a graph, okay, from a linear function here. So the first thing we need to understand is slope equals the change in y over the change in x. And so if I need to understand those two things, then I have to figure out how to see that on a graph, okay? So here I have 2 points. I have a point down here, and I have a point right here. So remember, to find slope, we need 2 points. So the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna figure out what is my change in y, okay? What is my change in y? So let's look. If I wanna go from this point down here to this point, I can't just go straight across like this, up the line. What I need to do is I need to go up and then over to it, just like if I was driving on a street or riding my bike on a street. I'd have to go up a certain amount of blocks and then over some, okay? I couldn't cut through everybody's yard. So let's see, how far do I have to go up here in my change of y? So let's see, we're gonna go up 1, 2, 3, 4. So we went up 4, okay? So we went up 4. So we know that our first slope, okay, that our change in our change in y was 4. We went up 4, okay? And if you want to put up here or something like that, you could even write here, you could say this is up. And then here you could say to the right, okay, to the right, just to kind of help you understand what's happening here, okay? So we went up 4, that's our change in y. And then we need to think about our change in x. So again, this is our x, right? So we're going to go to the right. So we need to go to the right 1, 2. So we just went to the right 2. So it'd be our change in x would be 2. And then we can simplify this. We can simplify this down to be 4 divided by 2, which is just 2. Okay? Just 2. If you leave it like this is totally fine. Or you could even think about it as 2 over 1, right? This would reduce to 2 over 1. So either one of these are totally fine in understanding what the slope of this line is, all right? Thanks.